How to redeem a DoorDash gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can redeem a DoorDash gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to redeem a DoorDash gift card, which is basically quite simple to do so, all you have to do is open up your browser here and then go to DoorDash.com and log into your account. Now, you can redeem it during the order checkout process, but if you want to keep adding your gift card balance right away so that during the checkout process, you can just select the gift card option. For that, you can just tap the three lines option over here, and when you tap the three lines option that you can find from the top left, you'll find many options where right under the payment option you'll find a section that says gift card. So all you have to do is just tap the gift card option here, and when you tap on the gift card option, you should be able to see a list of other details over here where you can simply actually go ahead and then enter your gift card pin over here at the second option and tap on redeem on. The above one is to buy it, so we don't want to buy, we just want to redeem. So enter your gift card pin on this box and then tap on redeem gift card depending upon the value of the gift card. Next time is going to be used on your next order. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically redeem your DoorDash gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries, doubts, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.